In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view screenshots in Hubstaff. If you need to review captured screenshots inside Hubstaff, the process is very simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can find the screenshots you need without wasting time searching through the dashboard. To begin, log into your Hubstaff account and take a look at the menu on the left-hand sidebar. This is where you'll find the main navigation options for your workspace. On that sidebar, click on Activity. This section is where Hubstaff organizes tracking-related information, so it's the starting point for viewing recorded work details. Once you're in the Activity area, go to Screenshots. After selecting it, Hubstaff will open the Screenshots page, where you can review the images that were captured during tracked time. This page is designed to help you quickly browse visual activity, so you can check what was being worked on during a specific period. From here, the next step is to choose the date range you want to view. If you're looking for screenshots from a particular day, simply select that date so the results are filtered accordingly. This is useful when you already know when the activity took place and want to narrow things down quickly. If you'd rather see everything that's available, you can click All Screenshots. That option will display the full set of screenshots available to you, making it easier to browse more broadly if you're not sure of the exact date. As you review the screenshots, take your time to confirm that you're looking at the correct time period. If the page seems empty, it may just mean the selected date doesn't contain any captured images, so switching the date or using the All Screenshots view can help. This is especially useful if you're troubleshooting missing activity or checking records across multiple work sessions. And that's really all there is to it. To view screenshots in Hubstaff, open the Activity section from the left sidebar, go to Screenshots, and then either choose a date or select all screenshots to see the available captures. Once you know this path, it becomes very quick to access and review screenshot activity whenever you need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.